Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Marriott Albany. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, non-smoking rooms, restaurant, facilities for disabled guests and a bar. Marriott Albany offers rooms with laundry facilities. It features 2 swimming pools and a fitness center. A complimentary airport shuttle service is available. Times Union Center is 7 miles away. All rooms have comfortable bedding such as custom duvets and down comforters. Each room is fitted with modern media devices such as cable TV, pay TV and a plug-in panel. Marriott Albany serves diverse American dishes for breakfast, lunch and dinner at the market. Guests can also try the continental dishes available at Chats. Marriott Albany is 7.2 miles away from Empire State Plaza. Saratoga Racetrack is a 30-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.